fuck?
What happened, love? What'd you say?
In the first time in this universe, after 10,000 BC, it fogs
What?
in San Diego. Sunny San Diego.
Ay, good. What should I eat for breakfast? Might just make some eggs with tortilla. Is that what I should make? So I'm probably the worst cook ever. While trying to do a slow-mo egg crack, and all the egg fell. Now I need to get ready for boxing. I work in the afternoon, so I need to go to the class that's in the morning, which is 9 o'clock. It's about to be 8, so I'll see you guys in a After Kalia gets out of work, we're going to do a photo shoot. That makes it sound like we're going to take a bunch of professional photos. We are going to take a bunch of photos, but not professional. We're going to try and make them look professional. Usually we always end up taking a good amount, but we end up just using 3. That's the average, 3 to 2 out of all of those photos. Just for fun, just to share. But yeah, I'm on my way to the library, going to take a shower, but see you guys in a bit. I'm out. Hello guys, so we actually didn't end up going to take photos. I worked too soon to be able to just go and try to make it back. So we canceled that and saving it for another day. These balloons, I guess, are kind of trash. They're not gonna pop like. Oh, they did pop. Yeah, it worked. So they do work, as you can tell. Arturo, my man, I'm sorry, you lost.
Okay, up to round 2.
Oh shit.